Need to make snowflakes fast but don't know how? Let me show you a super simple trick with just paper, a pencil, and scissors. I wish I knew this sooner. It would have saved me so much time and paper. Place a sheet of plain white paper in front of you, with the long side facing you. Fold the left short side up to align with the top long edge. Line up the edges perfectly and crease the paper firmly where it folded. Grab your scissors and cut off the rectangle on the right. We won't be needing that piece. Fold the remaining triangle in half. Take the right corner and fold it over to the left, just like this. Flip the snowflake base over and fold the paper one more time. Congratulations! You've just mastered the perfect snowflake base. Now, grab a pencil. Draw the snowflake pattern, following my lead. Just draw it as best as you can. You don't need to be a pro artist to make this work. You can also pause the video here and simply trace the pattern right off your tablet or smartphone screen. Cut along the lines you drew and unfold your snowflake. Let's make another simple holiday snowflake. Prepare the base and draw the pattern, following along with me. How is it going? Making snowflakes isn't hard at all, right? Is everything clear so far? Let me know your story in the comments below this video. Once you've drawn the pattern, cut along the lines and reveal your snowflake. Let's create one more snowflake. Since you already know this easy method, let's make another one. How are we doing? Still with me? Ready to make another elegant paper snowflake? Let's do it together. Now you know exactly what you need to create beautiful and simple DIY crafts for the holidays or Christmas. Ready for the next one? Go ahead and draw this beautiful pattern. Let's make one last snowflake. Did it work out?